If you've been eyeing Blakely Clothing and wondering whether it's a legit lifestyle fashion brand or just another online scam, you're not alone because a lot of people have asked the same question before spending their money. Blakely positions itself as a stylish yet comfy brand, selling everything from oversized hoodies and sweatshirts to leggings, activewear, and matching sets designed for both men and women. But what really matters is whether the company lives up to its promises. The store operates under the domain us.blakelyclothing.com, and interestingly, it's not some brand new pop-up shop. It has been around since 2012, which adds a sense of credibility compared to websites that appear and vanish overnight. On top of that, the brand has built a fairly active social media presence across Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, and even YouTube, showing consistent marketing and community interaction. You can also find information about the founder, which gives the company a more transparent feel than many faceless e-commerce sites. In terms of customer support, Blakely offers a live chat option on its website, plus an FAQ section and support through social media channels, so buyers aren't left in the dark if they need assistance. But here's where things get interesting. When you look at real customer reviews on Trustpilot, the feedback is mixed. Some shoppers praise the quality, comfort, and style of the clothing, while others complain about shipping delays, sizing issues, or difficulty with returns. This mix of experiences makes Blakely Clothing neither a clear scam nor a flawless brand, but rather a store with both strengths and weaknesses. So if you're considering shopping here, it may come down to whether you're comfortable with the risk of a less-than-perfect experience, balanced against the appeal of trendy, well-marketed fashion.